Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play split screen on the Rocket League game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rocket League game on your device and make sure that you are connected to your Epic Games account. Once you have been connected and logged in, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can access the split screen preference settings. Click on the settings option and now click on video and then click on gameplay and you will see the split screen layout option. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu and then choose from vertical and horizontal method. You can choose from either one of these options based on your preference. You can also click on the cross-platform play option if you intend to play with individuals across multiple platforms. You can then go back to the main menu and now you can simply proceed with creating or joining a party in order to start playing your multiplayer game. And now you can simply go ahead and play your game and you will be able to enjoy the split screen mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play split screen on the Rocket League game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.